Welcome to our channel. If you need to lock or unlock your Truist debit or credit card for security or convenience, the mobile app makes this process quick and simple. Step 1. Download and open the Truist mobile app from the App Store or Google Play. Log in using your username and password. Step 2. From the main dashboard, tap on the card you want to lock or unlock. This will open the card details screen. Step 3. Look for the Lock/Unlock Card toggle or button. Tap it to immediately lock your card if you've misplaced it or want to prevent unauthorized transactions. Step 4. To unlock your card, simply tap the same toggle again. The card will be reactivated instantly for use. Step 5. If you permanently lost your card, use the Report Card Lost or Stolen option instead to request a replacement. Step 6. Review any recent transactions to ensure no unauthorized charges occurred while your card was unlocked. Step 7. Set up push notifications in the app settings to receive alerts whenever your card is used, adding an extra layer of security. Step 8. Remember that locking your card temporarily stops all transactions but doesn't affect scheduled payments or pending transactions. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.